Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mr. Impatient, doing another install in the middle of the night. Today we're going to be installing the red angel lights or halo lights on a BMW M3. This is a 2011 M3 sedan, and we're going to be going and popping this off and putting the new red LED lights in there. And then go and follow me over here. This is the little kit that I purchased online, and this is the red LED light that comes with it, and this is the piece that it plugs into, and then another piece that it plugs into, and I'll show you guys how to do that. You guys also will be needing one tool. Please make sure you have a large flathead screwdriver, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first thing I want to do is pop these grooves right here. So we're just going to pop, lift it just a little bit, and then push, lift, there we go. And then this cover should pop off very easily. Okay, you're going to want to put your hand in here. There's a light bulb right there, and you're going to want to grab onto that and twist in this direction. You're going to hear a little pop just like you did, and then just want to pull and wiggle the light bulb out. You might have to play with it a little bit. Okay, and then I want to zoom a little closer. You can see right here, we're just going to have to pull these two. See, I'm just pulling them apart right now. And then just lift up. That's it. There's the old light bulb. And I'll be back with the other piece in just a second. Okay, and then here's the other parts. And then you've got a male, and then you just want to find the female. And then plug that in. Okay, and then there's one more piece. That's a male-female piece as well. Alright, and then you have the old light piece, and then you're just going to replace that just make sure that's secure. I got the light bulb in my hand, and I'm just going to slip it back in. This will be a little bit more challenging than simply pulling it out. Alright, and then you're just going to, I've got it in place, and you're just going to want to twist it back this direction just to lock it back up. Okay, it's locked in, and I'm just going to go ahead and tuck all these pieces in here for you. So you guys can see I'm just making a little bit of room and just tucking that back in. Okay. Put the cover back on. There we go.